We got Trump finally showing support to Elon Musk. We got him buying a Tesla, kind of to show his love and support to the company, and kind of basically shouted out. And he bought it in front of the White House. There's also a Cybertruck out there too. With that being said, he said to Republicans, basically, he said to Americans, basically, Elon Musk is putting it on the line in order to help our nation. And he is doing it a fantastic job. But the radical left lunatics, as they often do, are trying to illegally and collusively boycott Tesla, one of the world's greatest automakers, and Elon's baby, in order to attack and do harm to Elon and everything he stands for. They tried to do it to me in 2024, basically asking how did it work out, kind of showing that it really didn't really work out too well. And they're kind of showing it the same with Elon Musk, that it's not really going to work out as good, destroying his company. And he's basically just showing a little bit more love, and kind of basically just honestly, the president of the United States is shouting out and saying that Tesla is the biggest car company. Basically said that it's one of the world's great automakers. But with that being said, what does this mean? We're going to be talking about the stock overall later on, but we're going to be kind of explaining how it's going to support the stock. I mean, it kind of moved the stock a little bit, but not really. We're going to look at the charts a little bit later. But basically, what did Trump do? So he purchased a Tesla Model S on March 11th, 2025. He bought a red Tesla Model S, showcasing his backing of the electric vehicle company amid its recent challenges. And he basically had public endorsements amid boycotts. Trump criticized the boycotts against Tesla's as illegal and praised Musk. Basically, what we kind of just showed before with the tweet, he's actually adding Tesla vehicles in the presidential motorcade, which is kind of insane. And then shift in stance on electric vehicles. So he's basically just showing a little bit more love to electric vehicles. But is it really going to help out the stock market, or is it really just going to, people just look past it and or it moves it more down? But with that being said, he said that he supports EVs, but only because of a Musk endorsement. And with that being said, before you guys honestly judge Trump for having it in front of the White House, we actually had Biden do it with Jeep, GM, and some other vehicles, and he actually drove it around. Trump didn't really drive it around, but I was just adding this as an example before you hate on Trump for this. It's happened before. So I just wanted to look at the overall SPY just to kind of show you guys how the SPY is moving. So we are in a constant downward trend. With that being said, let's get into Tesla and kind of look at it. So basically, Tesla has been up and down, and actually, like pre-market and after hours, we kind of did move up. And for the ending of the day, we did move up a little bit with Tesla. We broke past that 240 almost, that 240 after hours. But with that being said, we did indeed break past that 230 level yesterday. We're kind of breaking a little bit up, and we're still at that 240. We might battle that 240 a little bit more. With that being said, if you're playing this short, we are below the VWAP now. The MACD is indeed looking bearish. With that being said, I do recommend looking at that 240 level, see how it reacts at 240. If we bounce below that 240, I do recommend looking at that 238, 235, and then going down to that 233 and that 230 level. And then going back up to the upside to look at VWAP first, past VWAP, look at 235 or 245, 247, and then 250. And then if we can bounce above that 250, look at 252, because we kind of have bounces on 250 and 252. And then back up to that 255. So these are some low levels to look at. I think Tesla, it has room to move up. Tesla is a pretty decent stock. They got the robots coming out, the robo-taxi, full self-driving. They just have so many good things coming out. And they do have their new vehicles coming out too. And a lot of people were kind of waiting for that. So the sales and profits might go up a little bit more with that, but only if it is hype enough. But with that being said, thanks for watching the video. Smash that like button, subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.